Here's a little preview of what it should look like once you clean out your sunroof drains. Perfect. And I'll tell you, the tool I'm about to show you really changes things a lot. Get one. This would be preview part 2. I just wanted to come in and give a nice close-up of this brush. This metal stem on this is kind of like a coiled spring almost. Hope you get a nice idea of that. It's very smooth, and the brush is very soft, bristled, and then the tip has a nice little coating on the end where it's not going to snag anything. This is very important because these tubes can be put on with just very light clamps or just kind of stuck together, and at different junctures. You want to be very easy. You can turn this entire thing by holding it up. It is about 5 feet long. Sorry for the shoddy camera work, but the other end of it has this twisted ending, and you can see that it becomes right in part with the entire stem. So, you know, this is 5 feet long. Here I am, I'm 6 foot tall. It comes up to about chin level on me, and I just wanted to give on a preview, not really so much exactly what this brush is all about, because I was kind of quick in my initial take. So anyway, this is a great one. I will in the description have the exact one that I ordered on Amazon. It was like $8, $9, something like that. So real easy. Again, just wanted to kind of bring you in on the tool itself a little bit, because I glossed over that as I was trying to just get up there and show you the drain ports. But got this thing all set, and real happy with this. Highly recommend. Do this for your clients, do it for your own car, and you'll be happy not to get any kind of water damage. There's just all kinds of nightmare online as to the difficulty once you get these clogged up, you know, water coming in, back, you know, into the carpeting, coming out through the electrical area on the dash, you know, taking out the headliner and just causing all kinds of problems. So keep the drains clean and keep things happy. I thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Like always, enjoy making your cars beautiful. Here's the whole shot from up top. Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I'm going to try and make just a real quick video on something that I just kind of recently found out the importance of, and that is if you have a sunroof such as I in my new ride, which is a 2014 Lexus RX350, there are 4 drain holes in most every sunroof. There'll be 1 in each corner. And I bought a new tool. This is on Amazon. It is called a sunroof drain, you know, declogger. I'll do a little better in the description exactly what this is called. But anyway, I just stuck this down one of my drain holes, which was completely clogged. And you can see in the sunlight here just all of the disgusting stuff that came up out of this. And water immediately started then flowing. Right there, you can see the, look for the wet spot, right there. So what I've got is I've got some distilled water with some rinseless cleaner in it. I personally use ONR, but you could add a little vinegar to it. I'm gonna pour this in here just on this slot. Okay, we're up on top of the roof. Put a few ounces down there. This is the corner I'm working on. I'm going to show you in the other corner where that hole is. But you can see that some water just came out. It's dripping just a little tiny bit right there. Anyway, here's what you want to look for. And I am going to zoom in. Whoops. I'm going to zoom in and put some light on that corner so you can see that hole over there, right? Got the light there. That's what you want to look for. The front ones are pretty easy to see. The rear ones are back up under the tracks, and I couldn't really see them, but both sides of my rears flow quite nicely, so I don't have to worry about that. But I am just wanting to show you that it's something that you should maintain. I am going to snake this back down and work everything out. So something I want you to be aware of. And also, this as a detailer could be a great add-on item. You could check a client's sunroof, see how the water flows while you're doing the detail. And if you find clogged drains, you might say, hey, I've got a tool for that. I can unclog your problem. So again, just always trying to show you different tips, different ways to be efficient. If you get any appreciation out of this, give me a thumb up, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Bing! And I'll try and keep you updated with cool new videos. I thank you.